Every civilization rises on three pillars: law, power, and legitimacy. The moon will not be different. The first question is not how we build cities. The first question is who controls them. Historically, every new frontier created new political orders. Columbus opened the Americas, and within decades empires formed, colonies declared independence, and new nations emerged. The moon will repeat this pattern, but faster and with far greater stakes. Today, international treaties say no nation can own the moon. But treaties do not survive when trillion-dollar economies emerge. The first corporations, sovereign investors, or coalitions that establish permanent infrastructure will de facto control territory. Power follows presence. Moon governance will likely begin as corporate city-states. Private entities will build habitats, energy grids, and AI infrastructure. Workers, scientists, and citizens will live inside controlled environments where law is enforced by contractual governance rather than national constitutions. This creates a new form of sovereignty: planetary corporate governance. Residents may sign jurisdictional contracts rather than passports. Taxes may be paid in energy outputs, data, or materials rather than currency. Identity becomes planetary rather than national. Security will be critical. The moon controls orbital space, satellite infrastructure, and interplanetary logistics. Whoever controls the moon controls space lanes, data relays, and energy transmission. This makes lunar governance a geopolitical priority, on par with oceans and airspace. Over time, moon populations will demand autonomy. Just as colonies on Earth sought independence, lunar cities will develop their own legal systems, cultures, and political identities. A lunar charter may emerge, defining rights, responsibilities, and planetary stewardship obligations. The moon may become humanity's first post-national civilization. Decisions may be guided by AI governance systems, optimized for stability, resource balance, and long-term planetary cycles rather than short-term political cycles. Earth's political structures evolved over thousands of years. The moon's will evolve in decades. Whoever defines the first governance architecture will shape human civilization for centuries. The moon is not just land. It is law, power, and the next civilization experiment.